So right now we're doing Graphenizer one process. Shake this properly, open up your diesel tank or your petrol tank. Right now the fuel has to be in reserve. So right now the fuel is on reserve, and now I'm going to pour this inside my tank. Okay. So right now we wait for this to go inside the tank, and then we are going to go for a drive of about 10 kilometers to 15 kilometers. After driving 10 to 15 kilometers, you will notice that the car's pickup is better, the performance is better. Why? Because this is going inside your tank, and it will start going to your injectors, your nozzles, your pistons, your valves, your wash pump, and start cleaning all of that. Okay. So in this package you have around 3 of these bottles, so we are pouring all 3, and then we're going to go for a drive. So keep watching. So first we start this process with Graphenizer 2. Shake this properly, open up your engine oil cover like so. So right now what you're going to be doing is you're going to be pouring your Graphenizer 2 inside your engine oil. Okay. So all you have to do is just add it to your engine oil like this. So right now this is going to go inside your engine oil, and graphene layer is going to be formed inside. So graphene is a very good conductor of heat. So what's happening right now is it will start creating a layer that will reduce the heat drastically. Because of the heat being down, the viscosity levels are maintained. Because the viscosity levels are high, there will be less friction between moving parts. Because there's less friction between moving parts, the engine's performance is going to go up, the engine's life is going to go up, and your engine oil's life is going to go up. So that means right now this 10,000 kilometer engine oil is going to last you up to 20,000 kilometers. So just by adding this one bottle, you're getting double the engine oil life. At the same time, you're increasing the life of your engine. Okay. So make sure every time you do your engine oil change, you want to add Graphenizer 2, and it will increase the life of your vehicle and the performance of your vehicle drastically. Okay. You can get this on Amazon, Flipkart, or even graphenizer.com. And yeah, it's a very important product to use. Up to 50% mileage increase only because of this one product right now, Graphenizer 3. Okay. So all you have to do is open up your tank. Okay, it could be diesel or petrol, it doesn't matter. Whatever car you have, it works for all cars. And you're going to be pouring this bottle inside your tank like this. Okay. So this is going to go inside your tank. It will start burning your unburned fuel. It will start burning your like the bacteria, and it will start cleaning up your whole fuel line. Overall, it will start cleaning your injectors over time if you keep using this regularly. Okay.